Welcome to Xero Hour, your one-stop destination for all things tech. Here on this channel, we explore the latest in technology. From in-depth product reviews to step-by-step tutorials and the hottest trends in the tech world, we've got you covered. Our mission is simple: to make technology accessible, easy to understand, and fun for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast. On this channel, you'll find technology reviews, gadget reviews, software tips, trending news and practical guides to help you get the most out of your tech. So, if you're ready to stay ahead in the world of technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our growing community of tech lovers today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.